Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike down here in South Louisiana. I'm out on Toledo Lake this evening. It's 5:35, doing a little crankbait trolling for bass, and I found them. I've got about a 3.5 and a 2.5, and I got my limit. I got 8. I'm gonna start culling the small ones. I'm on them on a little spot right here. Try to get some video of me bringing one in a minute, but it's October the 11th. Fall fishing is on. When you find the bait fish with your graph, then the fish won't be far behind. I found some bait fish right here on this deep water point. I'm going to show you a picture of them in a minute. And catching a few bass. I'll try to share some video with you of it. If everybody's ready, here we go. Got my cow cutter reel set out, trolling. Got a little spot here I call PP Cove. You can see it's about 16 foot of water, and the bank comes up. I'm gonna follow this bank right here. Try to hook me one. I got some bait fish coming up before long on the screen. Here's my other pole. Whoop! Got a fish on. See my pole going crazy? See my pole going nuts? That's a fish on right there. I'm gonna bring him in. Oh, he just came off. Lost that one. Right, so I've got my limit, and I'm starting to cull now. Oh, got one on. See my pole going crazy? Look at my pole. Here's my limit in the well. Then I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got a floater there to be able to cull that one later. That's nice and there. It's about 2 to 1 is 3 probably. And that one's close to 2. We got a nice 8 fish limit so far. I'll lay them out and take a picture. So I'll try to give you all a few tips on what I'm doing here. I'm crankbait trolling with 10-pound test line with some cow cutter 150 Bs. And I got my bait I'm using is a Strike King Sexy Chartreuse crankbait. The 5X's, they make a 5X and a 6X. The 5X will dive like 12 feet. I'm running about 10 foot, fishing in 14 foot of water. 6X's will go about 15 foot, so I'm using the 5X and doing pretty good. Limited out and culling. I got one. Bringing her in the boat. I don't know if it's a good one or not, to be honest with you. Alright, here they are laid out. It's a really nice one here. Largemouth, 3 largemouths and the rest smallmouth Kentuckys on beautiful Toledo Lake with the sunset. Can catch me a couple more. Alright, so I think we're gonna head in now. I came out about 5. It's 6 now. I got my limit, caught a couple of extras and called and threw them back. So hope y'all enjoyed the video on how to crankbait troll on Toledo Lake. Remember, the bait I use is a Strike King 5XD Sexy Shad color crankbait. Just throw your pole out, put it in a rod holder, let out about 30-45 foot of line, and troll around looking for the bait fish on the underwater points. It's a beautiful time of fish on Toledo Lake. Second best thing I like to do next to working on outboard motors. You know why? Because you can catch the fish one at a time. See y'all next video. hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're catching them one fish at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.